Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. I am Dahlia, Attorney Dahlia Castillo, and I'm an immigration and criminal defense attorney. I'm located in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I also have an office in Holly Springs, North Carolina. Holly Springs is about 20 minutes from Raleigh. If you're coming from the Fayetteville area, it's the next city over from Fuquay-Varina. Our office number is 910-484-3245. I represent people on immigration matters. I also represent clients facing criminal charges, as well as they're charged with traffic violations in Cumberland County, Harnett, and Wake counties. Silence my phone here. For an immigrant criminal defendant, pleading guilty or going to trial can make the difference of you staying in the United States or being deported. This is why it's really important to get a criminal lawyer who's also an immigration attorney and they have an immigration background. Some lawyers are quick to get you to plead guilty and not go to trial. I'm not afraid to go to trial when a guilty plea will result in a deportation, okay? So on immigration cases, I represented people who are located anywhere in the United States. You can call for a confidential appointment in my office, the Fayetteville location, on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, or at the Holly Springs location on Fridays and Saturdays. If you're not available to come in person, we also have Skype and WhatsApp available. Again, our phone number is 910-484-3245. So I've been working all weekend and I realized I hadn't made a video, a Facebook Live video since last year. So I wanted to take a break from work and pop on real quick to talk to you about the 2-year green card. I got a message from a young lady who was married to a U.S. citizen, and after a year, she found out he has been cheated on her, and the woman is now pregnant. And he has kicked her out of the house, and she has no clue what to do. And she's now afraid that she's going to get deported. And she wants to know, what can she do since her card is about to expire in a few months. All right, normally if you apply for a green card based on marriage, and you've been married for less than 2 years, you're going to get a 2-year green card, not the 2 years. Immigration requires that the immigrant resident and their spouse file a joint petition within 90 days before the expiration of the 2-year card. So what should this person do? So the good news is she may be eligible for a waiver here. If she gets divorced, which she probably will, based on the circumstances, she can actually file a waiver based on the divorce. She can also file a battered and abuse waiver if her husband is physically or emotionally abusing her. She may also be eligible for a waiver based on extreme hardship if she can show, if there are circumstances that can show that. So for the first 2 waiver options, she's going to have to show that she's in a real marriage and not a fake marriage, and she will need to submit evidence to immigration to show that she is in a legitimate marriage and not a fake one. And so as I don't know, most people here in the state of North Carolina, to file for a divorce, you need to be separate and apart from your spouse for at least a year before you can file for divorce. In this case, she may want to see if she's eligible for the other two grounds. And the best way to do that is to, of course, talk to an immigration lawyer before submitting the application. All righty. Let's see. No questions. So if you have questions, please feel free to send me a message on Facebook, and I will jump on and answer your questions live on Facebook. If you would like to speak to me about your case in detail based on your specific circumstances, you can call my office and schedule a confidential appointment in person at my Fayetteville office on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, or at the Holly Springs office on Fridays and Saturdays. And if you're not available to do so in person, we do have Skype and WhatsApp available. Our phone number is 910-484-3245.